If you fancy knocking up this on your next camping trip, then you better stay tuned. You can use any potato you like for this recipe, and I always recommend that you use the ingredients you already have rather than going out and buy something else just for a specific recipe. That said, if you were to use like a floury potato rather than a waxy one, you'll likely get a crispier outside and a fluffier inside. Parboil them for about 5 minutes in boiling water. Now you will still get a decent plate of food if you skip this step entirely and just saute your potatoes from raw, but they are going to take quite a lot longer to cook and you might not get such a like crispy fluffy vibe going on. If you've got the time and the resources, I would definitely recommend that you parboil them. You can even do this step at home before you go camping if you prefer. Now this bad boy belongs to Johnny. It's a steel pan made by Muurikka in Finland. The legs screw off for storage, and whilst it's heavy, if you're camping with a vehicle and you're feeding a lot of folk, this, my friends, is the pan of your dreams. Now, whether you're using a Muurikka pan like me or just a cast iron skillet or whatever you've got, make sure that you get your pan hot first over the embers and then add your oil. I'm using my trusty jar of bacon fat that I used in last week's video, but you can use any oil you fancy. Now for the 3 mayos. I'm doing 3 different flavours of mayo, one with garlic powder, one with pesto, and one with harissa. I ran out of mayo, which is why you're only seeing 2 bowls here, but I did pop back in the kitchen and grabbed another jar before I finished the end of this filming, which is why you're only seeing 2, but you're going to see 3. I know, confusing. So to each tablespoon of mayo, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of either the pesto or the harissa paste. Harissa is quite spicy, so start off with less than that if you're not that keen on really hot foods. With the garlic granules, I kind of winged it, and there's probably, I don't know, 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Again, just wing it and taste it and see how it goes. Let those chunks of potatoes saute until they're golden and crispy, and you seriously cannot wait any longer. Here is my lunch, and if Johnny hurries up and gets home, then he can have some too. So this is the garlic mayo. Oh, those potatoes are really crusty and crunchy on the outside, but really, really fluffy on the inside. Garlic mayo, we know we love that. That's delicious. This is the pesto and mayo. That tastes really fresh and summery, which is not something I'm feeling right now, guys. I have to be honest. Okay, and finally the fiery harissa one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's my winner of the day, harissa mayo. If you give this a go, do let me know which is your favourite mayo. So yeah. Johnny really needs to hurry up because, you know, food and all. So that's it, friends. As always, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you on the other side. Over and out.